Quicken Simplifi and YNAB, You Need a Budget, are both popular budgeting apps, but they cater to different needs. Quicken Simplifi, from the makers of Quicken, is a user-friendly web and mobile tool costing about $3 a month, billed annually. It connects to over 14,000 financial institutions, auto-categorizes transactions, and creates a flexible spending plan based on your income and bills, making it great for beginners who want a simple overview of their finances, including savings goals and investments. YNAB, priced at $14.99 monthly or $99 yearly, takes a more hands-on approach with zero-based budgeting. Every dollar gets a job. It's ideal for those who want detailed control, offering robust education and tools to break the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle, though it has a steeper learning curve. Simplifi is cheaper and easier for casual users. YNAB suits dedicated budgeters willing to invest time and money for deeper financial mastery,